Hi and welcome to Elvatech YouTube channel. My name is Sergey, and in this short video we will talk about the energy calibration of the ProSpector 3 handheld X-ray analyzer. We will talk about what it is, why it is important, and when you should perform it. So, the energy calibration is an adjustment of the energy scale inside the analyzer. In simple words, the instrument sees X-ray signals and must know exactly which energy belongs to which element. Over time, maybe because of temperature changes, mechanical shocks, or natural aging of the electronics, this energy scale can drift a little. And energy calibration allows the analyzer to pull the element peaks back to their correct positions, so that every element is identified correctly. Energy calibration brings back accuracy and stability of your analyzer. You don't need to perform energy calibration all the time, just in case. Instead, you should periodically check the instrument using our reference samples of 316 stainless steel for heavy elements and 2024 aluminum alloy for light elements. The procedure is very simple. From time to time, for example after transportation or once every 6 months, measure the 316 stainless steel reference sample that comes with the analyzer and 2024 aluminum alloy if you have the model with light elements. Then compare the measured values with the ranges that given in the calibration certificate that is supplied with the sample and the analyzer. If the results significantly go outside the ranges given in this certificate, this is a clear signal that you need to perform energy calibration. You don't need to connect the instrument to a computer. Everything is done directly from the analyzer's menu. Now I will show you in practice how to perform this procedure.
Turn mystery into potential with XRF Solutions by Elvatech. Precision that empowers confidence.
So, first of all, to perform the energy calibration, you need to log in into the analyzer menu with the service password. The service password you may know at our service department, and they will provide you with one and you will log in. After you logged in with the service password, you will see on the main screen, you will see the same, the calibrations that is installed into your analyzer, and also you will see several new folders like energy calibration and composition calibration. We need the energy calibration. So just click on the folder energy calibration, and here you see the warm-up, energy calibration, low energy calibration, artifact calibration, and so on. We are interested particularly in energy calibration and low energy calibration. If you have the model of the ProSpector 3 without light elements, with the blue body, you will have only the energy calibration. It's for the heavy elements. But if you have the model with the light elements, you will see also the low energy calibration. It's for the calibration for light elements. And to perform the calibration, we need to, first of all, we perform the energy calibration for the heavy elements, and after that we will perform for the light elements. And now we will click on the energy calibration. And you see on the screen there is a notice: place the Elvatech stainless steel 316 sample at the measurement window of the device and tap the start button. So we will do this. We will place the 316 sample and just press the start button. The procedure takes about 20 seconds, and you can change the time. It's the factory value. And we're just waiting for the results. And you see on the screen, that calibration succeeded, and we have the details and spectrum. We're interested in details. So just click on the details once, and you see the table on the screen. Here we have the 3 columns. We have the first column ferrum peak, molybdenum peak, resolution, and so on. And the second column is the actual values that we have just measured. And the third column is the factory values. So, first of all, we need to compare the resolution. the resolution of the detector. This value should be no more than 0.140. So the less this value, the better it is. So here we have the 0.126, and the factory values were 0.126 also. So we don't need to worry, everything is fine with our analyzer. If you will see here, if you perform the energy calibration for the heavy task, if you will see here for example 0.141, it means that something is wrong with the analyzer, and you should contact our service department, so they will provide the remote diagnostic of your analyzer. But here we see that everything is okay. So we just close this table and we go back. And we will go back, and now we need to perform the low energy calibration. And we just click on the low energy calibration, and here we need to place the 2024 aluminum alloy. And the procedure is the same. We just click the start button. And this procedure takes about 30 seconds for the light elements energy calibration. And we just wait. And we are done. So the calibration succeeded, and we have the same info on the screen. So we click also on the details. And here we see the same table, but with the different information. Here we have the aluminum peak, ferrum peak, resolution, and so on. And also we have actual values and factory values. And here we also need to compare the resolution of the detector. But here we have the different numbers. The actual values is 0.0676, and the factory was 0.075. Here the rule is almost the same, but the value of the resolution for light elements and energy calibration should be no more than 0.090. So if you see here that you have the 0.091, it's also the signal to contact our service department, so they will provide the remote diagnostic. But if you see here the 0.076 as I have, or maybe 60, it is totally okay. It should be no more than 0.090. And that's it. This is the only information that we need, and if we see that the values of the resolution are normal, we don't need to worry, the analyzer works properly, and we just may close the window and continue working with the analyzer. So, energy calibration is the way to keep your ProSpector 3 in a good shape, so that it correctly recognizes elements and gives stable, reliable results. Periodically measure the 316 stainless steel reference sample and 2024 aluminum alloy if you have the light elements, and compare the values with the certificate, and perform energy calibration only when it is really needed. So that's it. Subscribe to the Elvatech YouTube channel and like this video if it was helpful. And also write in the comments which functions or the analyzer you would like to learn more about. See you in the next videos.